Remedies available for irritable bowel syndrome. You can hear from any person that the illness can be quite irritating and you will feel absurd. This is mainly due to the truth that though the disease is not dangerous, it cannot be cured easily. The symptoms also greatly affect the routine life of people who suffer. As personal life is also affected, people seek remedy for it and try to find different treatment for the syndrome to help regulate the symptoms of it. For each person, each treatment is required as the treatment depends on each and even their efficiency can vary. Alternative therapy. According to the proof, studies have found out that stress and mental life has got a great impact on irritable bowel syndrome. This is possibly the reason by which alternate treatment is preferred by people. Alternative therapy comprises several remedies like Ayurvedic, homeopathic, yoga etc., all of which are not related to allopathic. Some of the examples are as follows. A. Acupuncture. It is one of the best types of alternate solutions to irritable bowel syndrome. This is mainly since practitioners of this solution cure this illness in a case-to-work format. The working of acupuncture on irritable bowel syndrome is by try to free up the obstructions in a person's life energy. This is an exercise by pinning needles on various portions of the body. The patient need not worry as the needle used will be so thin and will only reduce the ache caused by the IBS symptoms. B. Yoga. As told, stress has a heavy effect on symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Many people switch on to yoga to keep their minds relaxed, calm and eliminate stress in their work life as well as personal life. Though yoga doesn't have any direct effect on irritable bowel syndrome, the treatment is quite appealing as the person will be in a relaxed state which supports the cure. C. Ayurvedic. We all are behind old herbs which were used as medicine, as they do have many side effects and also cure naturally. Ayurveda has begun to play a major role in the treatment of irritable bowel syndrome. Treatments are done on one-by-one basis. A person needs to tell the Ayurvedic doctor what he is suffering from and the doctor will cure him accordingly by giving a mixture of herbs that will help. D. Medical. In order to assist them with the syndrome, irritable bowel syndrome is much easier for people. It is also widely relied on because people accept it more, as they understand them more. There are two kinds of medical treatment available for irritable bowel syndrome. A. Medicine/drugs. People who suffer from this type of irritable bowel syndrome are given the prescription drug of several medicines. Often the drugs are used to reduce the pain caused, act as a stabilizer for the digestive process and even help in decreasing depression. Only a blend of drugs will help in treating this syndrome. B. Counseling. Many people go for advice or consultation from a doctor, which is the best method of treating oneself having irritable bowel syndrome. People who are having such symptoms often worsen them by thinking constantly about it. Mental/emotional counseling is supposed to work out well and it can be considered as part of the treatment of this syndrome.